Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And this one we have 2 plus 1x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about negative 1 over s squared dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So the square root that is about u. 1 over s squared dx that is about this one. So u and u we have u squared. The integration of u squared that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And then I will put about c. About u that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.